among the peaks where heaven meets earth, where my heart beats stronger amidst the rocky guards, where every stone tells a tale from the past, views that capture the soul, love that lasts and lasts. Trees bend under the weight of white snow, whispers of the wind carry our fates as they blow. Joy with each step upwards, where the world seems small, and pain when paths lead us back to the valley's core. My mountains, in my heart I hold you. Though a snowstorm once parted us for ages, in every star above the peaks I see your eyes. With you I'll conquer every summit, my only, my dear. Seasons change, but the mountains stand unchanged. Memories of the traces we once imprinted together, longing for moments when the world was ours, open for lost hopes that we would be together again. My mountains, in my heart I hold you. Though a snowstorm once parted us for ages, in every star